How can I use my Cash App account without a bank account? I can simply transfer money from my Cash App without adding my bank account to the Cash App application. This is how I can exactly do it. You just have to follow the steps here. How to set up Cash App without a bank account. Firstly, download and install Get Cash App from the App Store or the Google Play Store for Android. Then open the app and create an account using your email or phone number. Step 2 is skip bank account linking. During the setup, skip the option to link a bank account. Instead, set up your Cash App balance as your primary fund source. Now, the third option is choose a unique cash tag that is your username so that others can send you money easily. Now, the next thing is what you can do it. Receive money from others. Friends, family, or employers can send money to your cash tag that is not your bank account number, of course. Now, transfer are instant and ad free. So, this is how you can exactly receive money from anyone other to your Cash App without adding your bank account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.